Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about today's trades only. Today, December 22nd, I made four entries, right? And three went my way and one went the other way, giving me a 25 pip loss. The three went my way. Let me show it to you one by one. This is 22nd, right? Okay, so the first one is pound USD. I recorded the charts already also, and I recorded the video. So I'm gonna play that video now, so you can see from start to finish how I made the entry and how I finished it and closed the trades. Okay, so this is pound USD for 50 pip, and pound yen for 95 pip, and pound CAD for 50 pip. The one I lost was EuroCAD. Okay, so now let me play that video so that you will see exactly what happened all night long with these entries, and I was coming and updating step by step every 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and until the end. All right, so you know exactly what is happening. Let me play the video. This is video playing now. Come on, man. What's up? Okay, let me go back here and hello everyone. Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Just woke up on these alarm beeping 4 or 5 at the same time. I had to rush and then take these entries, just like the last one is like EuroCAD, which is right there. EuroCAD coming down here. Obviously a little late, but that's okay. And what happened? Yeah, so this is what's going on right now. EuroCAD, I took the EuroCAD, pound CAD, and here the pound yen. Just a little off, but I know the pound is going to get weaker, so and then it is off of 60 10. So I said, let me just take it and try what happened, right? And then pound USD also coming down here. Yellow is just above the black, but that's okay. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Okay. So these four entries right there, one after the other, one by one. And yeah, that's what happens. Sometimes the news comes out or whatever, and then all of a sudden, all 4, 5, 6, 7 start beeping at the same time. All right. So this is now, right now, it's like 40 minutes into the London session. Actually, it's 3:49 a.m. And I have these things. I had all of these set up earlier. And now, this was my yesterday trade, by the way. This is my yesterday trade here, and pound CAD. I had this from here to here yesterday for 105 pips. So let's see how much I'm gonna get today, if anything. Okay. So today is Thursday. It's a big day. Things moves a lot, so they start to move now. Let's see what happens. Okay. So this was an entry, but this is an entry earlier. It's around like 6:30, right? So that's not the trading time. And this is now happening exactly after London Open. Right there, when I open it, it's 10:40. So that's how it is. This filter has the time. Let me show it to you. See the properties. You see this here? Start trading time, stop trading time, options here, threshold 1, threshold 2. These are the options that you can set it up, and this will beep only in certain times, not all the time, even if you have a setup. So this is it for now. I'm gonna go take a nap again and see what happens, and I will come back and do the update. Hello everyone, Simon here again, making just a little update, doing the update here with the trades I took earlier. My entries are a little off because I woke up a little late. The alarm was beeping and it was like a little late. So yeah, it's still okay, no problem. Let's see. This is pound USD, 20 minute. You can see here entry. This was the yesterday trade from here to here for 75 pip, and I already made a video yesterday and showing that step by step. And this is the entry today. Yesterday's entry was exactly right after when it be, because yesterday what happened is that the entries came a little bit like 10, 15, 20 minutes or 30 minutes apart. But this one was when I woke up, it was like boom, 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 all 4, 5, and sometime by the time I made the entry, a little bit late, so it's okay. This one going, this is the entry here. It should be here, but from let's say if I would be entering here and to this, I miss like maybe 15 to 20 pips, something like that. So no big deal. This pair has the daily range with this pound is 185. Okay, so 185 pip daily range. Well, let's say 200 even, and the highest point of the day is this 21.45. So go 200 below, so 20 to 19.45, and then forget the 45. So 19.3, no 45. 1945 and adding 15 more for the 50, 60, 1960. 1960 should be the target. Exactly, not that is going to do that, but 1960, do we have any level there around this area, pound USD? 1960, here we go. See, this low is 1957, very, very close. 1959, 1957, this is where it's going now. Okay, the daily range will be completed today to this level. So I'm going to hold on to it, not for 185. Let me see how many my entry is there. So 1960. So from my entry is let's say 21. It's 140 pip trade. Not bad, right? So that's what I'm gonna hit. Go for. Maybe I'm gonna go for like 100 or S2 or something like that. No big. Don't have to be greedy, right? Now pound yen is going down here. This is the entry here. Now you can see and say, yeah. When those couple of pairs were beeping, I looked into this one as well, and then I said, well, 60s10 is a nice level, and even though it went up a little bit, the yellow line is just above the black line a little bit, right? But it was coming down, it's wobbling here, so I thought maybe it's going to stop, and then if pound is going to get weaker, it's going to drop. And yen for a couple of days, past couple of days were very, very strong. So I said, let me just take a chance, and I took this one here, and here so far I'm positive. And yeah, this one is also going. Yeah, let me see if I can move this away. Yeah, from time to time, then fixing the charts to get messed up. And then, excuse me, this one, if I see that this is how it is. So it is coming to 58.21, right? So I'm going to hold on to that. Daily range is coming exactly around that. Also, pound CAD is coming down here. My entry is here, very late entry, but what can I do? When you sleep, you snooze, you snooze, you lose, right? So yeah, but it's still I have a great hope with this pair, because this pair is doing this on a weekly chart. So it's all the way up from the trend line is coming off, and then easily can come in 63.88. Right now is 64.37. To go into 63.38 is not a problem at all. Even more than that, 62.33. This pair can move big if it wants to, right? 200, 250, not a problem. So I'm going to hold on to these trades and see what happens. Okay. Another one that I have going right now, but it's not going nowhere. But let me see. What happens. I'll see. Euro CAD is this. So here's the entry. Here's the SL. Not moving, wobbling. So let's see what happens. Right. If worse come to worse, 25 pip loss here, no big deal. I think that my pound CAD, if it goes in my way, and pound yen and pound USD, they will recover that, right? If they don't go against me before Eurocad. So let's see, let's see. All right, so I'll be back after a little while. Gotta go take a nap. Pause. Okay. Hello everyone, Sam is back, and whoops. All right, so it's Eurocad. I'm not gonna mess around with that. I mean, it already, hit my SL for 20 pips, so the hell with it. I'll see if it drops, because the thing is, the yellow line went above the, you see this, it's just going up, and it's been ranging for so long, like this. Every time I go short, it just goes up again, and it's up, down, up, down, up, down, so what the hell with it. The other pairs like pound CAD is going nice here so far. My entry was late. Remember, I just saw you. I woke up a little late and the alarm was beeping and beeping. So by the time I took the entries, were like, so here's the entry here, right? And it's going nicely, but still positive. And if pound gets weaker, he's gonna go longer. Pound yen was the other one right here, right? So this one, the entry is right there, and it came down here, right? The short entry here. And pound USD is this. The entry is again a little late. It should have been here, but hey, something better than nothing, right? So yeah. So it's coming down nice and clean, right? So I'm just gonna hold on to it, and this Eurocad, I'm not gonna bother with that unless it goes down all the way and then give me a nice clean setup now. Get out of that range, if not, then I'm not gonna bother. My CAD yen on the other computer I had long, but it's not. It didn't go much and start, ranging. It's still ranging. So I'm gonna right now. I'm gonna close it at breaking, right? So with that with it, I don't know what's happening. So there we go, and well, let me see if maybe a couple of hours. I'll wait and see what happens. Okay, so that's about it. That's about it. These are the trades that I have. They're running 3 trades, all pound pairs. Yen pairs not moving much now because they already did Monday, Tuesday, right? Big time they moved a lot, it's like pound yen dropped for 800 and all of the other pairs like 400, 500 in one day. So now they are taking a breather and resting a little bit, right? So in the meantime, pound pairs moving, and then USD start getting strong, then USD gonna get USD pairs will move and come into play. USD pairs, let me show you here what the USD I'm looking at. The USD weekly chart is this big drop, right? And I predicted from the top that it's gonna drop here, but it came down all the way here. And what it is doing is that it's like this is an ending diagonal. Then it bounced from here, as I was expecting, 1026. I made the chart that's going to bounce. It bounced, and it's now retracing of that bounce. So it went up, and see, it then whatever, it went up, and then it's just a retracement. And after that, sorry. So this is not this is the one. See, it's a bounce, and then this is a retracement. You can see that how wobbly and the ranging conditions are, and very close to 78%. So maybe this is it. And from now on, it might be going to the upside and get strong. If that happens, then what will happen? You start to go up in this direction, that this will happen. EU, GU, AU. I already have GU short right now. I had a short Aussie USD yesterday, right? And these pairs should be going up long. UJ didn't go long because actually it went down because of yen strength big time, right? So I'm still waiting for this to answer me that why it didn't go up yet. So UC and UJ, I'm looking for the upside. NU and UF not even trading. So this is it. If you can take this out, pound USD has a daily range of 185, which is coming all the way to the S2 area, 5821. Okay, no, not the 5821. That's something else. That's GJ actually. But yeah, you can calculate the daily range. Let me see what number your daily. See, this is right now. So let's say 2150, and I think it's yeah, it's the target for this one is 1960. Okay, 1960. That would be once in 1950, and then 20 and 21, so 200 pip, right? So from 2150 to 1950, and 1950 is a big, huge support on pound USD. So maybe it is going there. Okay, it depends. Let's see what happens. That would be the daily range total, and my entry is here. So this one is almost, let's say 21 to 1950. So that's 150 pip trade I can have from this baby here, right? Similarly, other pairs, the pound pairs are big movers, and pound yen right now, pound yen daily range is 235, right? So I'm here. My entry is here, and then top is here for the day. You see this white dotted line? So 235 pip from here to there, and I'm already in from here. So I'm in for maybe 160, 70, 80 pip trade here. The other day I had 200 pip trade, Monday, yeah? So maybe that's, somewhere there today as well. Let's see, time will tell. So I'm gonna go take a nap, and we'll come back later on, okay? Until then, bye-bye. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. Just checking on the trades. So these three trades I had. First is this is pound USD sell, right? So it has gone too far. So let me see if I can move, maybe 5 pip risk, and I'm gonna sit here because it might retrace and then go down. Then I'll sit on a break even. But right now I'll probably have 5 pip, right? No big deal. Pound yen, that's gone pretty decent, and I'm gonna sit on a break even plus on this one because it has gone down below this low. Basically on this one I have the target 158.20, something like that. So that would be more than 100 pip, 130 and 40 pip trade on this one. So let's see. And on this pound USD, I have a target 1950 or 1960, let's say. So I still have, this is 2050, and I still have 100 pip to go. And right now I have 50, so 150 pip trade I'm looking at, but I may not hold that long. I'm talking about the daily range, right? But maybe around like maybe 100 or 120, 30 are close, right? That should be more than enough. Pound CAD is also going down nicely. These are, basically what is happening is that, let me show you a couple of charts that I made earlier, and they were like pound, for example, this chart, right? I made this chart when, let me see if I can pull that and I show it to you. This helped a lot. Okay, what the heck happened here? All right. This happens a lot watching the index. So I made this chart when I said, okay, this looks a nice short setup on a 40-minute chart, right? Here, pound index, 40-minute short setup. Am I recording? Yeah. So you can see clearly that it is going down. I mean, it was a nice, beautiful short setup. And this is the setup that you can see here now. It is, it is like this, not this, sorry. Like this, just keep going down. This was the setup that I showed. So because of that, I already wrote down here what's supposed to happening. All pound pairs will go down except this. So this went up, and all the other pounds. That's why I have this pound yen, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound everything, right? Pound Aussie, I'm not watching this. I made a mistake actually, so no problem. Actually, see, when you open these charts, too many charts that you empty for freezes. So that's why I move Aussie yen, CAD yen, Aussie USD on the other computer. Because I don't want that too much cholesterol. This one, so that's why. But this chart, this setup I made on the 16th, and look, as of today. And because of that, all pound pair went down except this. And I just had to, wait in, take the entry just like today, just like yesterday, right? Today it was an entry. Right now, I'm up here, nice and clean, and pound Aussie. Look at the pound. But I missed the whole thing because it never gave me an entry, man. Because not only pound is getting weaker, but Aussie was getting strong. It's still getting strong, and that's why the force got double, right? Euro Aussie and pound Aussie both went crazy and didn't give me nothing. Now it's too far down here. I'm not, it seems like it's wave 1, 2. This is wave 3, A, B, and it's gonna go up maybe here for C, for wave 4. Once that is finished, then maybe I'll think about, next week sometime if it's gonna drop. But yeah, so this is how it is. Pound USD target is 1960. So I'm still, way far from there. I'm gonna hold on to it, go take a nap, and then I'll come back and then update again. All right. So bye for now, and I will come back and see you guys shortly. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. Just woke up and just checking up on the trades. They are dragging slowly towards their targets. Pound CAD is very much dragging and not moving at all, slowly coming down. So let's see if this thing is gonna make it or go up and hit myself. But pound yen and pound USD pretty good going down. This one already, let me see how much is it. I'm sitting on a break even and it's already 90 pip, but I have a target way down, so I'm gonna hold on to it. Maybe maybe 120 and then 30 I'll close it. And pound USD is also sitting on the break even, and this is the entry, and this one is only 60 pip. All right, so one is a 60 pip, the other one is 90 pip. So it's still 150 pip so far. So maybe around 200 pip day, just close it. You know what? Today is Thursday, man, and then 8:09. So I'm gonna close it now. These two because they're gone. So maybe they're gonna go up and then drop. So I'll take those then. Second entries maybe, right? So this is like 150 pip between these two trades. So I don't wanna lose them. And tomorrow is Friday anyway. So yesterday I had 220. Today 150. But there was a 125 pip, so that would be like 125, right? Because my euro Aussie got hit, SL hit around 25, full 125. I mean, right here. I had a short here, it went up and then hit my SL. So I'm not gonna trade this because look at that nasty thing, right? I wanted to trade it because it looks like this here. And I thought it's enough is enough and probably gonna, come down just like pound CAD is coming down. But no, it has to mess up with me, right? So pound yen properly coming down. See, this is my target actually. Right now we're 159.09. I'm looking at this, it's not gonna turn before this. But you know what? I'm gonna hold on to it. That with it. 58.21, right? Monday I had 80 pip. 30, 30, and 20. 3 trades I closed, 30 pip, 30 pip, and 20 pip. And no losses. Tuesday, after the losses, 320 pip. Yesterday, Wednesday, and they're all recorded on the live trade on a video, right? I'm recording just like this one. Yesterday was 200 some pip, plus the oil trade. So I'm up all more than 500 pip already, right? So this one today, 150 pip minus the 25 euro cash hit, so 125. But if it comes down here, let's say right now it's 8:11 a.m., right? 8:30, there has to be some kind of news. After that, if it drops a little bit more, I'll get my target. This is 58.21. That's what I'm looking at. And pound USD, I'm looking at 1957, and I'm right now 2047. So 90 pip more drop here, some drop over there, and I'll be up like around 250 pips. So you know what? I'm gonna hold on to it and see what happens. All right. So bye for now, and I will be back soon. Hello, everyone. I'm here again, and it's a little bit risky. So you know what? I'm gonna close it now. These two trades, pound USD for 50 pip and pound yen for 90 or 95 pip right now. Okay. And then the only thing is going to be left running is pound CAD. If it drops, it drops. If not, we're done with it. So these between these two, 150 pip minus the 25 loss of 125 pip today. That's fine. Thank you very much. And I'm going to be closing before 8:30, 8:24 right now. And that's it. And then one more day left. Maybe the rest of the day, if it goes up and then starts to come down, I'll get in, try to get in again. If not, then today 125 pip enough. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later tomorrow with a new video. Okay, I'm back here. The video is finished, and let me go see here. So you saw I recorded the whole thing, start to finish, step by step, that how these trades went. This is euro yen. What the heck is happening here? Okay, I want to just see that how far. Okay, see, I closed right around here, and then it's going up now. And pound USD is that one went down a little bit, right? So I closed here, and it went down here, but that's okay. That's okay. That happens. You can't be exactly, but still, I got 50 out of here, and I got 50 at the end. I got 50 out of here as well, right? Pound CAD. So that's 50 pound USD and 50 pound CAD. That's 100 pip and 95 from pound yen. So 195 pip minus the 25 pip I lost in euro CAD. So 170 pip altogether today between these four entries that I made, right? So this is how it works. And yeah, so Monday was 80, Tuesday was 320, including that 200 pip pound yen trade, right? And then yesterday, Wednesday was 220, and now Thursday, it should be bigger than all of those days, but it's 170 today. And let's see what happened tomorrow. Tomorrow I may trade, may not, it depends. But London session, I'll see if I find really good entry. Just like today, London session, and around like 8:30, if there is a news schedule and I feel like a danger that it might go up and down, some weird way, then I'll just simply close it after before that. If you like more than 100 people a day in London session you make, what else do we need, right? Now this one, remember I told you that this one, the target is 1950. So what is happening right now? So I close here, then it went down here, and it's now making a short setup again, and probably is gonna go down with that towards 1950. Right now it's 2034, so 80, 90 pip more, but I'm not gonna trade anymore today. Okay, it's 11:58, 12 o'clock, and London is already closed. Volume is gone, so we gonna be waiting for tomorrow. Night, tomorrow night. Yeah, actually tonight, but it will be tomorrow. That would be a Friday, right? So this is it for now. It's a long video, sorry about that, but just wanted to show that how it's done and how and why I take these trades and these entries, the reasons. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the day in trading, right? And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn, you want to train, you want to go join one-on-one,
10 session, I'll make you master of all these mumbo jumbo. And yeah, it requires a little bit of work. You know, it's not nothing comes free, and this comes with a lot of time cost. You know, you gotta have to spend some time. I'm not gonna say that this is like, you know, buy sell signals. So no, it's not. But it's rewarded, right? You get to know, you need to learn that how far a pair move every single day and how much chance you have. Just like today, I mean, this is supposed to go for 140, but I close at 50. But you know, there are times when, and then I hold on to like pound yen, but for 95 pip, right? That one also, you know, like 140, 150 pip, but don't need to be greedy, right? You know, you have 3 or 4 trade going on, you know, 60, 70, 80 here, you know, there, one is 100, one is 80, one is 70, altogether is 200 pip a day is more than enough. Close the damn thing, simple as that. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.